Responderé pronto. I will respond soon. I will respond soon. Responderé. I will respond pronto. Soon. I will respond soon. Responderé pronto. Esto reducirá el estrés. This will reduce the stress. This will reduce the stress. Esto, this, reducirá, will reduce el estrés. The stress. Esto reducirá el estrés. This will reduce the stress. El dinero será enviado hoy. The money will be sent today. The money will be sent today. El dinero, the money, será, will be, enviado, sent, hoy, today. The money will be sent today. El dinero será enviado hoy. The money will be sent today. Sígueme rápido. Follow me quickly. Follow me quickly. Sígueme. Follow me. Rápido. Quickly. Sígueme rápido. Follow me quickly. Follow me quickly. Me veré diferente. I will look different. I will look different. Me veré. I will look diferente. Different. I will look different. Me veré diferente. I will look different. Ellos no irán. They will not go. They will not go. Ellos, they, no irán. Will not go. They will not go. Ellos no irán. They will not go. Cruza esa calle. Cross that street. Cross that street. Cruza. Cross. Esa. That. Calle. Street. Cross that street. Cruza esa calle. Estaré ocupado esta tarde. I will be busy this evening. I will be busy this evening. Estaré. I will be ocupado. Busy. Esta. This. Tarde. Evening. I will be busy this evening. Estaré ocupado esta tarde. El coche necesita una limpieza. The car needs a cleaning. The car needs a cleaning. El coche. The car. Necesita. Needs. Una limpieza. A cleaning. The car needs a cleaning. El coche necesita una limpieza. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. It's well deserved. Es bien. It's well. Merecido. Deserved. It's well deserved. Es bien merecido. Nos vemos raramente. We see each other rarely. We see each other rarely. Nos vemos. We see each other raramente. Rarely. We see each other rarely. ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which do you like more? Which do you like more? ¿Cuál? Which? ¿Te gusta? Do you like? Más? More? Which do you like more? ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which do you like more? Saca la lengua. Take out your tongue. Take out your tongue. Saca. Take out. La lengua. Your tongue. Take out your tongue. Saca la lengua. Déjame hacerlo por ti. Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. Déjame. Let me hacerlo. Do it. Por ti. For you. Déjame hacerlo por ti. Let me do it for you. Muéstrale eso a ella. Show it to her. Show it to her. Muéstrale eso. Show it to ella. Her. Show it to her. Conozco a esta persona. I know this person. I know this person. Conozco. I know. A esta. This. Persona. Person. I know this person. Conozco a esta persona. Tu ayuda es muy apreciada. Your help is very appreciated. Your help is very appreciated. Tu ayuda, your help, es muy, is very, apreciada, appreciated. Your help is very appreciated. Tengo uno más para ver. I have one more to see. I have one more to see. Tengo. I have. Uno más. One more. Para ver. To see. Tengo uno más para ver. I have one more to see. Ellos fueron groseros. They were rude. Ellos, they, fueron, were, groseros, rude. They were rude. Me reí cuando lo vi. I laughed when I saw it. I laughed when I saw it. Me reí. I laughed. Cuando. When. Lo vi. I saw it. I laughed when I saw it. Me reí cuando lo vi. No es una lesión grave. It's not a serious injury. It's not a serious injury. No es. It's not. Una. A. Lesión grave. Serious injury. It's not a serious injury. Tardará unos días en verificar todo. It will take a few days to verify everything. It will take a few days to verify everything. Tardará. It will take unos días, a few days, en verificar, to verify, todo, everything. It will take a few days to verify everything. Piensa en algo mejor. Think of something better. Think of something better. Piensa. Think en algo. Of something mejor. Better. Piensa en algo mejor. Think of something better.